Okay, I recently had this download, but if you don't enjoy the journey of becoming the best version of you, the future version of you, then what is the point? What is the point of having anxiety to get to where you want to be? What is the point of hating yourself now to become your future self? What is the point of ruminating and having negative thoughts to get to your desire? Like, truly, what is the point? Might as well not do it, because just like Eckhart Tolle said, there is nothing but the present moment. Because the future is just a thought. The past is also just a thought. And when you arrive into this best version of you and your future self, that will also be the present moment eventually. So why not embody your future self now in the present moment? It just doesn't make any sense to hate your way into the future that you want to be in. It doesn't make sense to criticize, to judge, to bully yourself with your thoughts into becoming the best version of you. Because does your future self actually do that? If you think about the best version of you, are they critical and judgmental? Are they full of hate and negative thoughts? I don't think so. I don't think anyone that's manifesting is actually thinking of becoming a negative version of themselves. So maybe it's time for you to gather yourself, gather your thoughts, and start thinking about what your best version really looks like and feels like. And then become that version now. Of course, if you want support, join my brand new masterclass all about embodying your higher self. We're going to learn how to release negative self-talk, negative thoughts, patterns, and beliefs that are stopping you from becoming your best version in the present moment. Okay, link at the top of my page. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.